Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are doing something absolutely special. We are talking about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome, and trust me when I say this thing is not just a vehicle. It is a moving mansion. A home on wheels that most people can only dream about. So sit back, relax, and let us get into every single detail of this incredible machine. Let us start with the exterior design because the moment you lay eyes on this motorhome, your jaw drops to the floor. Mercedes has completely redefined what a motorhome looks like. Gone are the boxy and outdated shapes that most of us associate with these vehicles. The 2026 model features a fully aerodynamic multi-deck body finished in a stunning pearl white gloss coat that catches light from every angle. The design flows from front to rear with smooth curves that look like they were sculpted by wind itself. At the front you get a bold and wide fascia with a large chrome Mercedes-Benz Tri-Star badge sitting right at the center commanding absolute attention. The headlights are ultra-slim LED units that wrap around the front end beautifully and they transition seamlessly into the body lines of the vehicle. The windshield is massive and panoramic, giving the driver an incredible field of view while also contributing to that futuristic yacht-like appearance. Moving along the side you notice the motorhome sits on 6 enormous multi-spoke dark alloy wheels. Yes, 6 wheels on a tri-axle configuration that not only handles the massive weight of this luxury beast but also adds to its aggressive and powerful road presence. The side profile reveals multiple decks stacked on top of each other with curved panoramic blue tinted glass panels wrapping around the upper levels. These glass panels give the motorhome the private jet or superyacht aesthetic that makes it stand out unlike anything else on the road. The rear of the vehicle continues this stunning design story with a full-width curved glass wall, integrated LED tail lights that glow with a crisp clean light strip, and chrome trim accents that tie everything together perfectly. Whether you are viewing this motorhome from the front, side, or rear, it is a visual spectacle from every single angle. Now let us step inside and talk about the interior because this is where the 2026 Mercedes motorhome truly earns its luxury title. Walking through the entrance you are immediately welcomed into a space that feels more like a 5-star penthouse than a vehicle. The quality of materials used throughout is simply outstanding. Every surface you touch, every panel you look at, screams premium craftsmanship and attention to detail. The living area features a generous sectional sofa upholstered in cream white premium leather that is incredibly soft to the touch. A large OLED television is mounted flush into the sidewall and the entire space is bathed in warm ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to create whatever mood you desire. The panoramic curved glass windows flood the interior with natural light during the day, and at night the view of the outside world from inside this cabin is absolutely magical. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you could possibly need on a long journey. You get sleek white gloss cabinetry, a marble effect countertop, an integrated induction hob, built-in microwave and refrigerator, and under-cabinet LED lighting that creates a warm professional kitchen atmosphere. There is even a compact dining nook right beside a panoramic window so you can enjoy your meals with a view. The master bedroom at the rear is another level of comfort entirely. A proper king-size bed sits centered in the room dressed with crisp white linen and plush pillows. The headboard is padded in cream leather and on either side you have beautiful built-in cabinetry with brushed gold handles. A panoramic window beside the bed lets you wake up to stunning views wherever you happen to be parked. The bathroom continues this luxury theme with a full rain shower, frameless glass panel, marble walls, a floating vanity with a backlit mirror, and brushed gold faucets throughout. The upper observation deck deserves its own mention. Accessible from inside the motorhome, this upper level is wrapped entirely in floor-to-ceiling curved panoramic glass giving you almost 360-degree views of your surroundings. It is the perfect space to relax, entertain guests, or simply take in the landscape as you travel. Now let us talk performance. The 2026 Mercedes luxury motorhome is built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz commercial chassis that has been heavily modified and engineered to handle the enormous size and weight of this vehicle. Under the hood you get a powerful turbocharged diesel engine producing substantial torque output that makes moving this massive motorhome feel surprisingly effortless. The transmission is a smooth shifting automatic unit that handles gear changes seamlessly. Despite its enormous size, Mercedes has incorporated advanced air suspension that delivers a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you are cruising on a smooth motorway or navigating slightly uneven terrain, the cabin remains serene and well isolated from road noise and vibration. The power steering system makes maneuvering this large vehicle far more manageable than you might expect from something of this scale. Safety technology is also up to date with modern driver assistance systems including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive camera system that gives the driver visibility all around the vehicle. These features are absolutely essential for a vehicle this large, and Mercedes has not cut any corners in this department. Finally, let us talk about price, because a vehicle this extraordinary does not come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes luxury motorhome concept is estimated to start at around $1.5 million at the base configuration. Fully loaded with all available customizations, bespoke interior finishes, advanced technology packages, and additional living space extensions, prices can reach well beyond $2 million or even higher depending on the level of customization requested by the buyer. This motorhome is being positioned as a fully bespoke product targeting ultra-high net worth individuals who want the absolute finest travel experience money can buy. Think of it as a super yacht or a private jet, but one that travels on roads and takes you directly to your destination without the need for airports, docks, or any of that. So there you have it. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome is a rolling masterpiece that combines breathtaking exterior design, an ultra-luxurious interior, competent performance, and a price tag that matches its extraordinary status. If you enjoyed this review, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review here on MH Car Review. We will see you in the next one.